to say a few words. Swamiji, please. Thank you. नमस्ते। वंदे मातरम। भारत माता की जय। कनाडा लिव्स लॉन्ग। Today it's not a only Independence Day. It's a feeling, it's an honor, or it's our gratitude to the people who laid their life for the freedom. India is the only country on this earth planet where multicultural, multilinguistic people, multi-religion are living together, just many flowers are in a garden. It's the only country. When Constitution of Israel was written, they mentioned very first thing, we are thankful and grateful to India, where Jews never be persecuted. They mention it in their constitution. In the name of religion, in the name of color, creed, in the name of language, in India, no discrimination. 5,000 years ago, our forefathers gave us a light, a path for humanity, a definition. 5,000 years ago, a disciple asked to Maharishi Vyas, what's the definition of religion? Maharishi Vyas replied to his disciple, do unto others as you would like to be done with you. 5,000 years ago, that definition was given. Atmanaha pratikulani paresam ma samachret. It is written in Mahabharata. Do unto others as you would like to be done with you. That is the core value of our culture. That is the core teachings from our Vedas. That is the core culture of Sanatan Dharma. Nowadays, the problem is getting around, getting day by day bigger. What is that? Problem for coexistence, problem for non-violence. Indian culture says, our religion says, our philosophy says, Vasudha eva Kutumbakam. The whole earth planet is a family. Our parliament is the single parliament on this earth planet, where this sentence is engraved, is written on the very entry gate. Vasudha eva Kutumbakam. The whole earth planet is one family. We consider it. In the 40th chapter of Yajurveda, Yajurveda says, who sees every being in himself and himself in every being. He is wise, he is a prosper, he is a genius, or he can be called a human being. In India, our philosophy says a sugar without sweetish taste is not sugar. Salt without saltish taste is no more salt. A human being without humanity is no more human. It is in our culture. So Indians people are like a flower. Where they go, they increase the beauty of garden in which they go. So all over the world, Indian community is separated. Coexistence, non-violence, progress, prosperity, and growth and success are followed by the people of India. So we are grateful to Mr. Mayor and Deputy Mayor Sandhu. They came and they provide the opportunity for me to say a few words. And ध्वजारोहण के लिए एक बार फिर से मेरे साथ मिल करके बोलिए, भारत माता की वंदे, भारत माता की वंदे, लॉन्ग लिव्स कनाडा। थैंक यू।